When taking a shower, you may be told to wear a shower sling as your shoulder heals. It supports your arm and makes sure you don't reach out. Do not shower until your surgeon says it is all right to do so. Most people need help putting the sling on and taking it off. Be sure your healthcare team has shown you and your caregiver how to do this. This helps you avoid movements that could damage your shoulder as it heals. Do not attempt to put the sling on or take it off by yourself unless your surgeon has given you permission to do so and a healthcare provider has instructed you in the proper technique. This program demonstrates how to put the sling on and take it off with a caregiver's help. You may be given different instructions. Always follow the directions of your healthcare provider. When getting ready for a shower, sit on the edge of a bed or couch. It is very important that you do not move your healing shoulder. Have your helper arrange 1 or 2 pillows for your arm to rest on. Lean to the side as your helper puts the pillows in place. Then sit upright to rest your arm on the pillows. Your helper removes your shoulder sling and shirt, as instructed by your healthcare team. To put the shower sling on, your helper puts the sling in place by your elbow. Your helper stands so he or she is looking down the length of your arm toward your elbow. Your helper should hold your wrist to keep your healing arm from moving. Your helper pulls the sling onto your arm a few inches at a time, switching hands as needed. Your helper does not lift your arm. Instead, he or she presses down on the pillow to get the sling under your arm. You may hold your wrist or hand to help keep your arm from moving. Do not move your healing shoulder or your arm. Just relax. Your helper makes sure your elbow is in place at the end of the sling. There's a loop in the sling for your thumb to help hold your arm in place. Use this loop if it feels comfortable. Next, your helper brings the strap over the shoulder that is not healing and threads it through the 2 rings. The protective pad should be over your neck. Your helper puts a hand under your wrist to support your arm as he or she securely attaches the Velcro on the strap. Your arm should be bent slightly upwards. After showering, sit on the edge of a bed or couch with your arm resting on pillows. Your helper puts a hand under your wrist to support your arm as he or she releases the Velcro on the shoulder strap and removes it from the rings. If your thumb is in the loop, your helper releases it. Your helper reaches inside the sling to hold your wrist. You may hold your wrist or hand to help keep your arm from moving, while he or she gradually pulls the sling off your arm toward your elbow. Do not move your healing shoulder or your arm. Let your helper do the work. Your helper puts your shirt and shoulder sling on, as instructed by your healthcare team. Ask your healthcare provider any questions you have about how to safely put on and remove a shower sling while your shoulder heals.